everybody, Tanya from Shooting Star SVG back, and today I am going to go through an Etsy shop critique. If this is your first time here, go ahead and click on the like and subscribe below, as that does keep me motivated to continue making these videos so that way you can grow your business and change your life. For those of you who've been following or not following, I have been doing these Etsy shop critiques for some time now, where I will go through a shop that is just starting out or has been around for a bit and doesn't seem to be getting any traction, to go through the brand aesthetics and a few listings to see if we can't increase sales, increase traffic, increase sales, and then bump that conversion rate up so you can start ranking in Etsy search. I do these completely off the cuff, so I do not look at the shop beforehand. And I am just going to jump right in on today's critique. So we'll go ahead to my computer screen and we will get started. Okay. So today we are doing creation by Grethe. I am so bad with names. Apologize. And this is a printable shop. I'm going to go ahead and favorite her shop, and she is set out of Denmark, which is cool, and has been on Etsy since 2017. You have a nice shop banner up here showcasing some of your work and where it can be used, which is awesome. And you have this cute little thumbnail here. If you're utilizing this as your logo, I do recommend getting it up here in this top banner somewhere. It looks like you do have your shop sections filled out, and they're very specific, so I do commend you for that. The aesthetic, as I scroll down, is good. You do show your work on mock-ups. It looks like your price points are not too bad. You may want to go and see what other people's price points are at these for these similar kind of printables, I guess, because $10 for 3 prints is maybe a bit high. Let's see. We'll go to Etsy real fast and see what Etsy has to say. Nursery printable set. Maybe not. It looks like people are charging about anywhere between $8 to $12 for 3 prints. So that's not too bad. It looks like your prices are in line with other people's, though I can see some stuff on the lower end and higher end of the scale. So I would probably keep your prices as is. It's good that you have discounts that makes them a bit more appealing. You may want to consider getting your logo stamped on the corner of these images just for consistency. You do have good shop reviews from the people who have purchased from you, so that's fantastic. There's nothing negative on here. You have your shop sections filled out. Your policies are filled out, which is great. You may want to consider putting some FAQ in there because these are printable products. And so with them being printable products, you may have to explain to people where they can get these printed. And now I know you're over in Denmark, so I would presume a lot of the customer base is probably still in the United States for this kind of stuff. Though it is really kind of worldwide. So hopefully when we get into your listings, you're appealing to both sides with what you provide. So I went ahead and chose 2 listings to look at. We'll go ahead and look at those. The first one that I chose was the colorful owl wall prints, because I love owls and these are really cute. You do have a video here talking about how you can download the file, which is good. And it looks like you have these showcased in many different mock-ups, so you are utilizing your image space. And you talk about these sizes. You are providing PDFs, and you are providing ISO only, from what I can gather, and one 8x11. So you are missing out on an entire industry of people by not providing US sizes. And if you haven't already, I do have a video on how to size digital printable art, which I'll put that link up above. You can go check that out, and there's also a link in the description of that video where you can download a sizing chart. And the sizing chart basically just goes through the different ratios that are available for ISO as well as US. So you're providing multiple, let me go back to this, multiple ISOs, which you don't need to do. You can scale ISOs down yourself. And in that PDF, there is the percentage as far as how you do that. So keep that in mind. That's probably going to help you and at least expand what you're providing. So let's look at your title here. Colorful owl nursery wall art, gender neutral kids room decor, set of 3 prints, downloadable nature playroom. That's a lot of stuff. It's a lot of stuff. Keyword stuffing. Blah. Etsy hates it, okay? You're going to want to focus on 3 target keywords for your title. Long tail keywords for your title. And I always recommend this for everybody because it makes it look a little bit cleaner and it doesn't look so spammy, okay? So for this, you may want to just use that first long tail keyword you have, which is colorful owl nursery wall art. That's good. Maybe nursery printable wall art as your second one, and then one more thing. I can't think right now because like I'm in the middle of work while I'm doing these videos, but yeah, so one more is what I would put on there. You do have some materials listed in here. There's no need to put the nursery owl art. You can put in the paper sizes, that it's a digital print, things like that, but PDF, the file types, whatever, that's fine. Let's look at the description here. You have a little blurb here about this. Once you optimize your title, you want to make sure that you get it in the top of the description. You do mention it's an instant download and what's included, 3 high quality PDFs, available in 3 sizes. Again, what I recommend is if you're doing A3 as your biggest size, just leave it as A3. That's 1 PDF there, okay? And then maybe throw in a couple of the other ratios that are out there. Now let's see if I can, digital aspect, here we go. So you can see here, and this is a 1-to-1, which is a square. You may want to consider providing a 2-to-3 and also a 3-to-4, or actually even a 4-to-5 if you're going towards the 8x10 market. So maybe a 4-to-5 and a 3-to-4, and if you want a 2-to-3. But these ratios right here are the ones that I normally see. So definitely go and download that. That's going to help you and get some more ratios out there so you're being presented to a larger audience that way. So you're limiting yourself. That could be why you're not seeing as many sales as you have anticipated seeing over the period of time that you've been on Etsy. Okay. You talk about how you can print it at home or a local copy shop. Okay. And digital items cannot be returned. And if you need a different size to contact you. And also to contact you, and you link back to your shop. You talk about copyright and copyright. I don't see anything in here about personal or commercial use. So you definitely want to get something into your canned description about personal or commercial use. I presume this is a canned description, so all of your descriptions are the same. You can use Get Vela to do a bulk update of all 68 files in your shop. I will post a link up there so that way you know how to utilize that tool, and it is free and web-based. So the next thing we're going to do now is we're going to go to Etsy Rank and check out your tags. Okay, so you've had 67 views on this since it's been up. Nursery owl decor, good. Wall art printable, good. Home decor, good. Owl nursery print, good. Printable art. You could probably get rid of printable art because you have wall art printable, or get rid of wall art printable. Nursery wall art, kids room decor. Set of 3 prints, get rid of that tag. Colorful owl, flower owl, new baby gift. You could probably leave that. Owl lovers, baby girl. You might want to put in something like baby shower gift, nursery room decor. Nursery prints. Just a few different tags for sure. But I think your tags are a good effort. You just need to make sure that you're describing exactly what it is people are doing. So let's see what we can do here. I'll do this in a different tab. Nursery, printable. This is a really long tail keyword, so I'm not sure what's going to pop up. But overall, I think this is a good effort. It's beautiful work. You definitely should be making sales. I think this is cute. I would have loved to have printed this out and put it in my daughter's room when she was a tiny little thing. I think once you get your ratios situated and you optimize that title and your tags, you're going to be seeing more. So 50,000 competition. Let's see what we got going on here. Nursery decor, nursery, Fox nursery decor boy wall printable. For some reason, that had a huge uptick in May of 2020. You could put in woodland nursery decor. That may be something that is useful. And let's see, nursery wall art. We'll do some other things that we can search for. Okay, so the next one is rainbow, that boho rainbow style. So again, you have really good stuff here. You know, you have a little video showing how you can download the file, and you have it showcased on different mockups, which is great. Again, with the title, you're going to want to get this optimized. So somewhere over the rainbow printable wall art, rainbow nursery prints, and maybe boho rainbow wall art would be the three that I would go for this. I'm going to go ahead and open up your description, and it looks like you've just changed the emoji, which is fine. Again, with the sizing, you just definitely want to offer more because you're missing out on really the US market by only providing ISO, because we don't really print in ISO sizes over here. So yes, this is canned. You definitely want to add something in here about commercial versus personal use because there is nothing here. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and look at the tags. Okay. You've had 9 views. Set of 3 prints is not going to work. Somewhere over the rainbow nursery. Okay, so you've kind of combined this together. Bright colorful is not going to help you. Rainbow art prints is good. Kids room decor, baby shower gift, new mom gift, nursery wall art, printable wall art, baby girl, rainbow wall art. You might want to put something in here about boho rainbows, nursery room decor, baby room decor, okay, printable nursery, and just add a couple tags in based off of searching, okay? And that's gonna take some time, but you'll get it. Nursery wall art, if you go down here and look at average searches, there is an uptrend in nursery wall art. Boho nursery wall art, okay? It's 21 characters, but you could also get rid of the wall and just type in boho nursery art, okay? Because that has some searches coming in. And I'm going to look at the click-through rate here. And nursery wall art is something that you definitely want to get in there. You don't have to put in the digital download portion of that. And just kind of go through the click-through rates on these and see. Boho nursery wall art, there you go. It would be one that you could look at, or boho wall art even. Go through the ones that have a high click-through rate and utilize some of those tags as well. So you definitely want to work on your tags, okay? Overall, I think the shop is a really good effort. You've really cute stuff. You definitely want to get some of your branding situated. Your shop sections seem to be good. You may want to add in some FAQ. Definitely recommend providing multiple sizes, because it doesn't seem like you're doing that. You're just providing ISO sizes. So you're not going to appeal to the United States market, because we print out in English units, not those ISO units. Okay. Your shop overall look and feel is good. Like I said, it looks like very quality work. You do want to add something into your description about personal versus commercial use, okay? Because people could print this out and sell it, and there's nothing in your description that speaks about that. You definitely want to optimize your titles. Once you optimize your titles with the 3 keyword methods, which I'll post a link to the Etsy listing tag planner, which should help you. You want to copy and paste that, put that in the first line of your description. And then you want to optimize your tags by utilizing a tool like Etsy Rank or some sort of brainstorming tool to figure out popular keywords. Also go look at your Etsy stats to maybe see what people are searching for and how they're landing on your items. So if you have any questions about anything, feel free to drop a comment, or, go over to the Facebook group and ask, because if you're having the question, other people probably do too. And if you're watching this right now or continuing to watch this, same goes, just drop a comment or go over to the Facebook group and ask. And if you got something out of this video, please click on like and subscribe below, as that does keep me motivated to continue making these videos, so that way you can grow your business and change your life. And if you're looking for a shop critique, go head on over to the Facebook group, to the announcements section, and add your shop link, and I will add you to my list. So with that being said, I'm going to start trucking along with the next video, and I will catch you guys later.